This is love,
my love.
Ouch.
Sorry.
I'm sorry for keeping you here.
I knew it. I said the gods has brought us together. You are the one for me.
Have you been here long?
A long time. I went to see you, but your father couldn't let you out.
I wasn't even around. I'm sorry. Though he told me when I came back that you came.
Okay, it's okay. Now let's leave here, okay?
Wait. Where to? I just want to know more about you. Tell me more about yourself.
Okay. What would you like to know about me?
Everything. And that includes what you want from me.
Then follow me, I'll tell you. Come, let's go.
This is love, Maria, no put up your nanya. Oh, this is love, of your no for Maria Nanya. This is love,
When we get there, we will disgrace her. But wait, how do we locate her house?
It's true. Maybe we should go and ask Jide. He might know her house.
Hey! Jello, if we ask Jide now, he will know of what we are about to do. Don't worry. I know everywhere in Umweze. I'm Mama all the corners, I know them. And for the fact we already know her name, it will not be hard for us to locate her.
Father wanted to disgrace me because of poetry. What is he all about?
It's just a literal construction of words. Poetry is what you do. Poetry is part of music. It's just the lyrics in your music.
Wow. Then I can speak it.
Come on. You don't need to bother about that. I can do that for the both of us. You just do your music, then I do the poetry.
Okay. Okay.
You are my poetic awards, hung on my ancient heart. Your attire ignited love from color of hair. Let the gazing stars be my witness that your love dug in my lips a well of infinite smile.
Wonderful. This is the word for the soul, not a word for the ear. See, I am going to sing a song of love for you. Are you ready? Okay. We go.
Balale ya bongo, balale ya bongo. Kwalale ya bongo, 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 kwalale ya bongo. Chefaga pa, anyanwu tutu achakaga. Balale ya bongo, kwalale ya bongo, kwalale ya bongo, kwalale ya bongo. Kwalale ya bongo, kwalale ya bongo, kwalale ya bongo. Abonyega mara megwa, maka anwa chabago. Ay, chefaga kwa. Egu mekunigo kwa. Abonyega mara megwa dema. Abonye kamara me wudema Onye Ugobese Kobanya wututu Abu Ugobese Kobanya wututu Abanyega marame wudima Abanyega marame wudima Balale ya bongo 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 Chefagaba Anyawo tutu atakaga
Mbasin.
Madu, believe what I've just told you. Mbadiwe, we do it. As long as your daughter remains in her status quo.
Mbasin, even bad. Even though I didn't understand what to say by status quo, but I know it must be something good. My daughter must remain in her
status quo. Yes. Status quo. Madu. Madu.
Hey,
you know you have been my very good friend from time immemorial.
Just hold on.
Madu. Here is what I have for you.
Mbasin, what is it for me? You have done enough.
You have seen nothing yet. I've seen nothing
My
yet.
My daughter will continue to visiting you.
Madu.
Hey.
Oh, yes.
It's even mad.
You see, you need not worry. There is more where this came from. You will not only be overwhelmed, but your pocket will be flabbergasted.
Mbasin,
I will change the climatic weather and the atmospheric condition of this village.
You came back with money and grammar.
For the good of us. For the good of we. In the greater we.
I understand.
I have to retire and migrate to my place of abode.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning.
Oh, little charming queen. How are you? Okay. Madu!
Mbasin. On your milk,
Hey.
How are you?
Lisa, will Maria go to the street?
Maria? She has gone. You mean she didn't go with you?
No. Hey. Okay. Let me run along to meet her.
Ha! Mbasin Odogu! Ungwani?
He love somewhere. Maria no for love ya nanya. This is love.
Oh, Piam.
Marie. Wow. What a lovely performance.
Likewise, you here. I'm very, very happy to have met you.
Me too. Now let's go and fetch the water. I don't want your father to start looking for you.
Definitely will. When I get home, I'll pour the water away, then come out. So I'll be able to be with you again, my Ofia.
Okay, let's go then.
Alright.
Let me carry your car.
Ofia, no.
I will carry it. Let's go.
Ofia no for Maria nanya. This is love, Tinyagaka. Maria no for Ofia nanya. Oh, this is love, Tinyagaka. Ofia no for Maria nanya. This is love, Tinyagaka. Hello, Sisi, mama.
Where do we look for her now? Eh? Maybe we should ask around though.
Hey, are you okay? Eh? Let's just stand here and wait for her. Because this is the major road. You see this road? It's the major road in Umueze. And this is their village square. Before you know it, she will pass and then we beat her and deal with her. But if we go to her house, we may encounter her siblings.
Yes, so you are right. Hey! Look at her. God has brought her to us today.
I told you. Hey! Stop there.
What is it? And who are you people?
So you want to know, what is your name?
My name is Mary.
Oh, Fia. So, it is you that want to take away my man from me, Abi? Look at this small girl. You want to take away my man from me, Abi?
What are you talking about? Who is your man?
Hey, Mechani. Listen, let me warn you. If you value your life, stay clear from my brother. Yes. You see this girl? Take a good look at her. She is his future wife.
Yes.
And we have heard a lot about you. Please, stay clear from him. Because the next time we see you around him, we will deal with you.
Both of you must be insane. Eh? I don't understand what you're talking about. And I don't even think you're from Umeze.
So you can run in jail, you still have more to talk, Abi?
Like this, like that, you don't carry my heart to go. I know go search again, oh baby.
Mary. My Brazilian chocolate. Should I come and help you? Are you sure? Okay.
Ofiam.
Maria.
Ah, Rebecca, you are here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Maria, I went to your house and your father said that you have gone to this room. Why didn't you wait for me again?
Rebecca, I'm very, very sorry. Come. Just come. This is the reason I didn't wait for you. His name is Ofia. Ofiam. He's my friend.
What is her name?
Oh, Rebecca.
Oh, Rebecca.
Sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay.
Maria, let's go and fetch fast. You know I will still fetch again. I don't know about you.
Ah, me, I'll come back again, no. I must come back to fetch more water because I think I'm now happy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Wait. I will carry it for you. Just wait.
Rebecca. Ofiam.
Mary. Okay.
Maria, no for love, this is love, this is love.
These fingers.
Of your love for Maria,
Not like that. You don't play from here. Play something. Two fingers here.
Maria.
Let's go.
Okay. You ready?
Okay. Hold on.
And where is this answer to buy for me?
I don't get at home. My village square. They beat me up.
What? Wait, what do you do to them?
I didn't do anything to them. They said I was going out with their boyfriend and brother. Before I could say anything, they started punching me.
2 girls!
Yes.
2 girls! I saw them. I saw them under that uku tree. Come, let's go and see them lesson of their life. Stop crying! Hi! Let's go. Well, I saw them here.
Yes.
Yeah, how now you go?
Stop crying. Stop crying! I know what to do. I just buy and wait.
This will serve as a warning to her. The next time she goes close to Ofia, she will see the hotter side of us.
Where is that Ofia? It's him I want to see. Eh? Are you sure she was not on her way to go and see Ofia when we saw her?
I don't know, but let's go home. This is a lesson to her. When she sees Ofia, she will tell him that 2 lorries jammed her.
No.
Come. Who are you and who gave you the boldness to kill my sister?
Oh, that girl is your sister, Okoya. Yes. Better warn her to stay away from my boyfriend.
Yes. Warn her to stay clear from my brother.
Yes.
Akunu eh?
Kotoma, you have the infantry. You have the boldness. You have the autonomy to stop my sister from buying Irene for me. And you still beat her. Today, you must give me my Irene here and now.
I don't have any Irene, Biko.
Give me the Irene now.
I don't have any Irene.
You must...
You see what that girl's brother did to us because of our fear? Have you seen it?
Hey. See, if Ofia do not go there to fight them, I will not be happy. I will not be happy.
Why are you both looking like pigs? What's going on here?
Is it not that girl? See what her brother did to us.
Which girl?
The one that stole my brother's heart. We went to Mweze today to deal with her. We never knew our brothers were home and they came to beat us.
Wait. You mean you both went to Mweze to beat up a girl you've never seen or met in your entire life before? I am very sure you people must have beaten up the wrong girl.
How?
How?
Jide, were you not the one that told me she's a small girl? You also told me she is fair. And you were the same person that told me her name is Mary.
You are as senseless as a chimpanzee. Oh yes. When I told you she is fair, did I equally tell you that she is the only fair girl that exists in Umweze? Besides, I did not tell you that her name is Mary. I said her name is Maria. Maria.
Have you seen what you've caused? Have you seen it?
Maria Mary Obrofife.
I told you.
It's a lie. I told you her name is Maria.
It's a lie. He said her name is Mary.
Stop. If any more noise from any of you, I am going to continue from where her brother stopped. What is the problem? You left and went to Umweze to go and fight a girl that you've never seen or met before?
Sabina.
You guys are so funny. Now listen, your brother Ofia must not hear this under no condition. Because if he gets to hear this, he's going to hate you both for life.
Hey. Sabina Latamo.
Just look at.
Sabi.
Mbadiwe, my brother. You need to marry a wife. You don't need me to tell you or for me to know. But the problem we have now is our young maidens. They will judge you with age.
Age is just a number, Ibe. Yes. Life, they says, begins at 40. And as you see me, I am eligibly ready. Yes. Etozugum. As far as I'm concerned, there is no financial higi-haga or haga-higi that can stop me.
Here you come again, Oyibo. That is one thing about you. Another one is to find a girl that will understand this your grammar. You are going nowhere.
Mazibe, Afugomia. I have found her! This damsel I'm talking about is not just a damsel, but she's a paragon of beauty. She's an angel sent from heaven. She's a manufactured species on a Monday morning. She is not just a beauty, but in fact, she's a combination of intellectual. Yes, this girl I'm talking about, this damsel, Ngoma Oyoyo. Her intellectual combination plus her grammatical intellectual quotient is second to none. I must tell you, Ifunwa is Abakagi.
Okay. And who is that person that has all these attributes?
Mazibe, don't be faster than your shadows. When the time to unveil and unravel and unmask the face behind the masquerade, you will know. William Wayo. All I need you to do now is gather all the marital condiments. I mean all the marital condiments. Get them ready. And let's be hopeful for the prime time. Because I, Mazim Badiwe, will get it all. Your pound wine need not be on the lookout anymore.
Yes, of course, you know I have it all the time.
Baby.
Maria, no for of your nanya. This is love, it's in your gaga.
Maria. Oh. Maria, what kept you?
Papa, people were much at the stream. What are you doing?
I'm trying to warm the food. You know that my friend Madiwe? He surprised me today. What he promised that he would take you to Harvard University, he meant it.
Really? Yes. Hey, Papa, how do you know now? What did he say?
Look at it. This is money. This is money. He brought this money for your upkeep.
Hey, whoa. That man is a very nice man. Oh. Don't worry. I'll go and thank him when I go there to learn.
Yes. You have to go and thank him. And he promised to be teaching you.
Papa, I want to go to the stream.
No, don't bother yourself. Go in there, rest very, very well, okay? I'll do the fetching myself.
Papa, don't worry. I can fetch the water.
Maria, you're not going anywhere. Go and rest, okay? Maria.
Papa.
Maria.
Papa.
Maria, my queen.
Papa.
Maria, my treasure. Maria. Go and rest, eh? Maria, can I have the money? Maria. Let me have the money. Go and rest, eh?
Like this, like that, you don't carry my heart, yeah. Munagige, big wow, sweet Maria, if I solo, I have to borrow. Maria, no for of your nanya. This is love, it's in your gaga.
Ofia.
Where is she?
Is she not here?
No.
Hi.
I thought you would have come with her.
Oh, You know their house is near, I expected her to be here before me. That's why I didn't bother to call her,
Okay, let's wait for her. Maybe she's eating. I'll stay here today till she's okay.
It's not possible. We don't have any water at home, and I don't want my mother to shout at me again. I have to be going.
It's okay. We'll meet there.
Okay.
Maria. Why do you insist on fetching more water?
Papa, we need water and I want to go, but you're refusing. Papa, if you send me tomorrow, I will not go.
Don't go. I will do that myself. Give me. Go in there, dress up. I'm taking you to Mbadiwe's house, okay?
I'll go. I'll go, Papa. You know I like poetry.
I go in, dress up. I'll take you there myself. Maria, Maria.
Papa.
Maria, my angel.
Papa.
Maria, Maria.
Sweet.
Sweet Maria. Sweetest Maria. Are you ready?
Almost, Papa.
Maria.
I wonder what will be delaying her. I've been here for a long time. Who knows if she will still come?
Ofia, so you are still here?
My dear, I'm still here. I've not seen her.
I knew it. I knew her father would never allow her to come back again. Eh? You know he loves her so much. And the son is too much.
Oh, this is too bad. Very bad. Please, will you help me to check on her later?
Okay, I will when I'm done with what I'm doing. But I think you should go home and come back later in the evening to check on her.
Okay.
I should be going.
Alright.
Maria no for of your nanya. This is love, tinyagaka. Of your no for Maria nanya. This is love, tinyagaka. Maria no.
Papa, I don't want to learn again, Joe. Me, I don't want. As if this is the only thing that will make me pass my exam.
Maria, I have to do the ones I can do, okay?
Rebecca, she's waiting for me by the stream side.
Since when? When did she start waiting for you there? She always wait for you at home.
Bon boy, what's wrong with your neck?
Have you seen it? I told you, if I had not decided to take you there myself, I'll go like this. They could have taken you. They could have taken you.
Maria.
Maria, Maria.
I was going on my way and you are calling my name. Your father nearly killed me because of you. He said any day I see you, I should carry my face and go out of your face. That's what I'm doing now. Why are you calling my name?
That's what I said. Anytime you see her, look away. You look away.
See. Better don't enjoy yourself, oh. Better don't break your neck, oh, bon boy.
Let's go.
Don't pity me. See, Maria, let me tell you. It's in this village. Very, very, very soon, you will see my girlfriend. I'll bring a girl that is finer than you. This village, not me, bon boy. Look at it. Hey!
Don't break your neck, oh!
He just love, somewhere. Maria no for of your nanya. This is love, tinyagaka. Of your no for Maria nanya. This is love, tinyagaka. Maria no for.
What happened? Who did this to you? What happened?
Why are you asking me? Eh? If you had stayed back here without going to look for a small fair girl, would I have gotten this beating from those boys?
Which boys?
Which boys are you talking about?
I don't know, Biko.
Which boys did this to you?
I said I don't know. Eh? Thank you very much. It's all your making. If they had killed me today, what would I have told God in heaven? I will tell him that my brother is in love with a small fair girl called Mary Maria. Dalo.
This girl is mad, though. Chita, come back here and tell me who did this to you. No matter how many they are, I will finish them. Chita, I am talking to you.
Where are these girls? Ezinne! Ajulu! Kebu maka agasaban. Eh? Ha! Odogu odogu. Madu kibe.
Mbasen. Mbasen.
Madu o.
Mbasen iwu onye ọma. Onye ọma fotara something aja.
Madu o.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
I am so happy and delighted in having you usher in the African version of Queen Elizabeth.
Maria. I decided to bring her myself. Before all these village boys will corner her.
Madu, you did right well.
Mbasen.
No man in his right thinking senses will look at this pretty queen, this angel, the oyoyoristic damsel,
Maria,
and just walk away.
Maria.
Mbasen,
she says she wants to learn poetry.
Oh,
Yeah.
poetry.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Poetry you shall learn. Woo! My oyoyoristic damsel. She's so beautiful, so pretty, so wonderful, so sumptuous. In fact, she's as adorable as the Jerusalem city and as unique as the Lebanon mountains.
All this for me.
Oh yes, my dear.
And many more.
In fact, you have seen nothing yet, my pretty queen. Oh,
Mbasen. Maria.
Sweet angel.
She's not happy.
Oh.
Because I didn't allow her to go and learn dance and music.
Yeah. What is dance? I can dance as well. Eh? Where do you want me to start from? From the waist or from the shoulder? I can do all of that. Mary, you're just so wonderful. I will do many more for you.
Mbasen.
I will give you the whole world.
Mbasen.
Mado,
You do too much.
I almost forgot that you are here.
Give me something to drink.
Oh, yes, you are very right. Madu, oh. Where are these children?
Maria.
Papa.
Maria, she will teach you poetry. Spy for me. Spy for that. Maria.
Okay, please. I love you so much. I've been trying to show you how much I love you, but you don't look my way.
Sabina, I can't accept what I don't feel. I don't feel the same way as you do. Please, let us remain like family which we've been.
No, we are not families and you know that. See, Ophia, I have been trying to hide these feelings, but I can't. I love you so much and I don't want you to leave me for that girl.
Please don't say that again. Don't say I shouldn't leave you because I wasn't doing anything with you before. See, I have her already. Okay? Sabina, please, you have to go. Leave.
Ophia, please.
I want to go and see my friend. And as you can see, my sister is not around. So you cannot be around here.
Ophia, please. Ophia, please, no. Ophia, because no.
My angelic queen, listen. My meekness isn't my weakness. Neither my simplicity, my timidity, nor my humility, my stupidity. But you must understand that humility simply means the ability to submit to divinity.
Wow, that is so nice.
Oh yes, oh yes. So, my dear, let me hear you make yours.
Me?
Yes.
On what am I going to make mine?
Oh, on anything of your choice. Make the choice of words. And remember that rhyming scheme is best. And that's the sweetness of poetry and music lyrics.
Okay.
Yes.
You're so good. But yet you're not attracted to any woman.
Well, attraction is actually the reaction of the inner fraction, you know, which pushes one into physical action. Yes.
I like you a lot. You are just so educated.
Exactly. And that is what I want to give to you. Well, actually, my wealth of knowledge and vast intelligence is what I want to give to you for your young brain not to drain, so you can catch up with the train of your reign.
Please, it's okay. I'm no longer comfortable here. In fact, let me make mine.
Okay, okay.
The indignation of my nation reduces my imagination of every motion of articulation.
Oh my God! Fantastic! No, enough, it's enough. Yes, you did very well. In fact, you are what the white man calls BB.
What is BB?
Beauty with brains. My oyoyoristic angel, the omalichalism of a damsel. I'm just so proud of you. Ooh, I never made any mistakes nor errors getting across to your father's house and picking you for a bride. Blessed be the day I met you, for the breast which you sucked from infancy shall be forever praised. My most adorable. Ooh.
Ofia Folago.
Ofia, we have been friends since our childhood. Very good friends. Very close friends. That some people even think we are brothers from the same parents. There is nothing you have asked me to do or not to do that I didn't do or did. Is there? I have been telling you to leave that small girl alone. That she is not your mate. She is not your mate. But you refused. Now you are asking me to follow you to her house for you to go and make your interest in her official. Ofia? No. I won't follow you to her house. Simple.
Is this what you're telling me to my face? Why are you against my movement with this girl? All you prefer for me is to have something with Sabina. Eh? You are a man. You are a man, so you can go ahead and have Sabina. I don't want her. I don't want her. If you don't want to go with me, I will go. When I come back, I will tell you how I went.
Ofia, a stubborn fly will learn its lesson in the belly of a hawk.
Sabina, why are you crying?
Is it not your brother?
My brother?
Yes.
What did he do this time?
Your brother said he doesn't want me again. It's that girl that he wants, that Maria girl that she's the one that he wants. He doesn't want me again.
Eh? Ofia said this with his mouth.
You need to see the way he humiliated me.
Mban. Omame, I will never allow this to happen. Is that why you're crying?
Why won't I cry? I know I've lost him already. Why won't I cry?
Don't worry. I have a plan. Oh? I have a plan. Mary Maria. She has refused to leave my brother alone. I will make her regret ever knowing my brother. Eh? Don't worry. Like I told you before, I have a plan. Let's go to my house.
No. I don't want to go back to your house again. I don't want to go back there.
Sabi?
Leave me, please. I'm not happy. Stop calling me Sabi.
Hey. Sabi oh. Mary Maria.
I'm not scared about the future of my daughter anymore. I know quite well that she is in the right hand. Huh? Let me wait for the wedding bell to ring, and the whole world will come. And I will tell them, me, Madoka, have arrived. And I'm not scared about anybody. I'm enjoying. See? Nego down and nego do, eh? Not the guy who would have What can I do for you?
I came to see you. I wish to have a word with you.
Okay. Come and sit down.
Thank you, sir. So let me start by introducing myself.
You can start wherever you like.
My name is Ofia. I'm from Umopia. I'm a Christian. I'm son of a late chief, Mr. and Mrs. Ibe. So I have good intentions for your daughter. I and your daughter, we've known each other for a very long time now. We have strong thing. Let me call it love. So I've been here severally, but you didn't give me warm welcoming. So I say, let me come and see you to tell you. And to express myself and tell you that I have good intentions towards your daughter. Oh. That is why I came.
Good intentions, you said? Oh. Will you take my daughter to Cambridge?
Yeah? No, sir. But I will do that by the grace of God. But the main thing is that I came to marry her and to tell you that I have good intentions.
You came to tell me that you want to marry my daughter empty-handed?
Sir, I...
Shut up, son. Is that how they married their late mother? Eh?
Sir.
Chita boy, I'm asking you.
Sir, I'm sorry. When next I'm coming, I'll come with it.
You come back with it. You came to my house to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage without even a bottle of mineral.
I'm sorry.
Look at it. This is from a man that has good intention for my daughter.
Okay.
A man that promised to take my daughter to Harvard University, London. That is what I call good intention. I leave my house.
So I have good intentions for your daughter.
Leave my house! Okay, say back. Okay.
So I'm sorry. When next I'm coming, I'll...
If you join here, I will guitar no guitar boy. But you walk out.
No, take it easy. Walk like a queen. Yes, you don't walk that way into a car. So, this is the way to walk. Okay, no easy. This is the way to walk. You see?
Oh, you are so funny.
Oh, yeah. So let me see you take your walk now.
Me?
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Oh.
Okay, take it easy. Yes. Wow! That's great, easy. That shall not fall. Don't fall there. Okay. So, you hop in while we take our leave. Oh, that is great. My angelic queen. All right. Let me. So we take our leave now, right? Yes. I'm going over. Yeah. Oh yeah.
He love, somewhere. Maria no for of Yananya. This is love, tinye gaga. Of your love for Maria Nanya. This is love, Tinyaga. Maria love for your Nanya.
I didn't even remember to go with any drink. But the way I see things, this man hates me. He likes material things. What do I do now? I need to see Maria. I need to tell her my mind. She needs to know that I love her. Who could that be that wants to marry her? God, I don't want this to happen. Could it be that what Jide told me is about to happen? Maria loves me. She will not disappoint me. I will wait here again. She will come to me.
Hello, Sisi, Maria, like this, like that. You don't carry my heart, yeah. Munagige, people, sweet Maria, if I solo, I had to borrow. Maria, no for love, Yananya. This is love, Tinyaga. Of your love, this is love, Maria. Maria, no for love, Yananya.
My daughter is on top. Hi, Maria.
Papa.
Maria.
Papa, I learned a lot today.
I know. I can see that. I'm not blind. My friend Mbasen,
Madu, you have a great daughter in her.
Thank you. I'll retire inside.
Don't mention me, dear.
Sweet Papa.
Sweetest Maria.
Let me show you how I now walk.
Oh, yeah.
Watch me.
Okay.
Slide this. Hold your waist like this.
Mbasen, only today my daughter has changed.
Ah, Madu, you have seen nothing yet. This is the first step to go to London.
Mbasen, diwe. Ezigbo mmadụ.
I forgot.
Onye ọma ka ịhụ.
I actually came here because I want us to discuss something.
What are you waiting for? Timeless.
Madu.
Oh, I have to see my lord. This man is so nice and romantic, but I can't stay with him any longer. If not that he is old, I would have fallen in love with him. But let him stay here. I have to.
Mbasen.
Mazi Maduka.
Onye ọma ka ịhụ.
Madu.
Ezigbo mmadụ. Mbasen, ezigbo mmadụ ka ya dị ịfụtara ihe aja.
You know you're my very good friend.
There is what I need to tell you, but I don't know how it will tingle, sound or resound in your ears. However, I will need to say it all the same.
Ezigbo mmadụ. The ears are meant to hear, and they'll keep hearing.
They will keep hearing.
Since you came back, you've been showering me with gifts and money. Look at how fat I am.
And you have seen nothing yet.
There is nothing you ask me that I cannot do for you. Mbasen, Taba Abacha.
I want to marry your daughter. I mean your daughter Maria.
What did you just say? What did I hear you say?
You heard me right well.
Taba Abacha.
You see, Maria is the most intelligent, most beautiful, most adorable, and the best pageantry queen I have ever seen in the whole universe. And I won't live to watch her wisdom and her intellectual proficiency become a waste.
Mbasen, the way you praise my daughter makes me feel that I don't know her well again.
You see, as soon as she becomes my wife, I will fly her abroad.
She will complete her studies there.
And when she returns, the whole world will come here to celebrate her. Mazi Madu. Madu, I will stop at nothing to make sure you live as a king you are. I, Mazi Ibekwe, will see to it. I will even buy you a car like mine. Yes. Mazi Maduka. Madu. You are saying nothing. Madu.
Sabina, I just pray. I pray that Ofia, my friend, does not end up in the prison in this his journey for love. There is nothing I have not done. There is nothing I have not said, but Ofia has refused to listen to me. Ofia has refused to listen to reason. I don't know what is wrong with my friend. But I promise him one thing, very soon, I am going to do something that he is going to regret. What kind of thing is this now?
Just do whatever you can. Because I don't want to lose him.
No, you won't.
Maybe tomorrow next I will come and meet you at our usual place so that I will give you.
Please, you have to do that. You know, the sugar in this your waist can make one suffer from diabetes. But I don't care. You understand? I don't... Listen, I've been trying for you. I have been trying for you. I don't know if you know. I've been trying. He has gone to Mweze. He asked me to come with him, but I refused. Why should I go to such journey? I refused. You understand? By the time he comes back, he's going to tell me what he got there. I promise you, it will not work out between him and that small girl. It will not work out. You are the one he must marry. It is a must. He was married. He will marry. Sabi?
Do you know, Chita is trying very, very well. She's trying. Yes, she told me that she has a plan. That she come to the house. That Ofia bought a ring for that girl. That's Maria. Ofia bought a ring for her. That she's going to come to the house later. That I should come. So I'm going to go there.
She has a plan. Okay. It's not a bad idea. You have to go. You have to go and see her. Yes. You know, just try and play along. But remember, I wish we can just go now.
Leave me.
We can go now. Let's.
They leave me. You like back tea?
I can't wait. You know, it's been long now. Let's go.
You didn't know I got you. My love, please don't leave me, please. I love you, and I want to marry you. I went to your house and your father sent me away.
Don't mind him. Okay, this is what we'll do. Let's just get engaged. Then, you take me to your house. Come with your people, so it will have meaning.
It's okay. I'll do that. Because this is one of the reasons your father sent me away, because I did not come with any drink. It's okay. I'll come tomorrow and take you to my house.
Okay, but let's do it when I go to fetch water. Oh, yum.
My Brazilian chocolate. Sweet Mariam. Out of worry.
Papa, what did you just say? Papa, how could you agree to that?
Maria, I did it for you. Badiwe has money. And he will take good care of you. He will treat you like his daughter. He will make sure you are okay. That boy will break your heart.
Papa, how do you know? Who told you? Are you really serious about this?
Maria, I'm serious. Mbadiwe will take care of you. That boy will disappoint you. He's a musician. Musicians they are womanizers. Women flock around them so much. Have you ever been to his house? If you go to his house, you see other women there. That boy is not good for you, Maria.
Oh, Papa, I thought you loved me. But how do you expect me, your sweet Maria, to get married to a man of your age? How, Papa? Ofia, I love Ofia, and I must marry him. I want Ofia, no one else.
Maria, I think I have made my stand in this issue clear to you. I don't like that boy. I don't want him. Yes, I don't want him.
Hello, Sisi, ne mama. Like this, like that, you don't carry my heart to go. I know go search again, oh baby. Makandri funanya, oba kwa koi yanudo. Hello, Sisi, Maria mo. Like this, like that, you don't carry my heart to go. Munagige bigwa, sweet Maria mo. If I solo wahako baro weha, Maria no for of yananya. This is love, tinyegaka. Of ya no for Maria nanya. This is love.
That's the movement. I'm happy you love my small world. Now I'm going to go in there. I want you to stand here and wait for me. I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open it. Don't open it.
Ofiam, should I open now?
No.
Ofiam.
Hey!
So you're the one?
I greet you.
Hey, shut up. Keep your greetings to yourself. So you're the one that came to take my man from me, eh?
Your man, Kwa. Don't understand, though.
Echani, how would you understand? Take a look at her finger. She is Ofia's wife.
Yes.
My brother's wife.
Ofiam, is he married?
Shut up. Yes, he's married. I'm the wife.
Chita, where is the ring I kept in this house?
Where is that ring?
Where's Maria?
She has gone.
Gone to where?
She hates hearing the truth.
Which truth? What truth? How? What did you tell her?
I told her the truth.
Hey. Maria! 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 Maria!
I told you.
You
have
did
seen
well.
it.
You did well, my friend.
There, immediately he told me he was going to bring her. I had to call you. Now we have achieved it.
Yes. I'll cook her soup.
Maria.
This love,
Ofian.
Hey!
So you're the one?
I greet you.
Hey, shut up. Keep your greetings to yourself. So you're the one that came to take my man from me, eh?
Your man, Kwa. Don't understand, though.
Johnny, how would you understand? Take a look at her finger. She is Ofia's wife.
Yes.
My brother's wife.
Ofiam. Is he married?
Shut up. Yes, he's married. I'm the wife.
Chita, where is the ring I kept in this house?
Where is that ring?
Where's Maria?
She has gone.
Gone to where?
She hates hearing the truth.
Which truth? What truth? How? What did you tell her?
I told her the truth.
Hey. Maria! 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 Maria!
I told you.
You
have
did well. You did well, my friend.
There. Immediately he told me he was going to bring her. I had to call you. Now we have achieved it.
Yes. I'll cook her soup.
Maria.
Maria. Please, my love. Don't do this. What did they tell you?
I hate you. Now go. Don't ever come close to me again. Just go.
Please don't do this. I love you. Please talk to me. What is it? What did they tell you?
Leave me alone. My father told me, but I never believed him. But now, I believe him. I say, get lost. Don't ever come close to me again. Go.
Maria. Maria.
For you.
You begin to talk. What did you tell her? What did you tell her?
Who? Is it not your brother?
Come here. Come here.
Stay here.
Is it not your husband?
Stay here. It's your brother. Stay here.
What did you tell her? Begin to talk now.
I told her the truth. That you are married. Only one. Eh? Here is your wife. Ngwa Soludi.
Oh! Stay there. Oh!
I'm not coming anywhere. I'm not coming.
Come here.
I'm not coming.
You're not coming. Okay.
You will not see me again in that house.
See it. I am going to Umeze with this house key. If you want, you can go to Sabina's house and stay, or wherever you want. I don't care.
You will see, let me tell you, that girl will not accept you. Bet me. Come bet. That girl will not accept you. She will not accept you.
Now, come here. You're not coming. Don't worry, see.
Wicked man.
Okay.
I'm a wicked man. Wicked man.
My brother, did I just hear you well?
Mazibe. Ibe Onwubiko.
That is my name.
You did right well. I told you that when the time to unravel the face behind the mask, the oyoyoristic angel, the damsel with the angelic beauty, the paragon of endowments, I mean natural endowments, the angel sent from heaven. That Akwanwa I'm talking about, when the time comes. I told you would know her.
Maduka agreed to give his daughter to you? His age mate?
Ibe, is that what bothers you? You need no bother. Well, all you have to do for me is get all the condiments ready. You are going with me. Mazimba Duka has already assured me that when the day is close, he will alert me.
Okay.
My brother.
I will be waiting for that day.
Maria. Maria. Maria, Maria.
Papa.
Maria, come. Come to Papa. Maria, my angel. Why are you crying? Where is the gallon that you went to fetch water with? Did you break it? Don't worry, I'll replace it, huh?
That's not why I'm crying.
Why are you crying? Did anybody beat you? Did anybody touch you? In this village? I'll take them to the court of England immediately.
Is it not Ofia?
Ofia, the guitar boy?
I went to Ofia's house today with him, and behold, I saw another girl wearing his ring.
Hi, Maria. I said it. Look at me. Old age is not old days. When I was telling you, you did not believe me. But look at it has happened. Don't worry. He has exposed himself. Smile from Papa. Maria, Maria. Maria, Maria. Maria, my angel.
Papa.
Sweetest Maria. Oh, Maria, my queen. Stop crying. Stop crying. Papa loves you. Stop crying.
Let me go and see him by the way.
Okay. Yeah, you can go and see him by the way. At least you'll be happy, okay? Maria. That boy.
He just love, so Maria no for off your nanya. This is love, tinyagaka. Off your no for Maria nanya. This is love, tinyagaka. Maria enough of your nanya. Oh, this is love,
Wait, Sabrina. Why are you crying? Who beat you?
Ofia beat me up.
Ofia beat you up?
Yes.
Why? What did you do?
Chita and I played the game. She wanted us to play with the ring. And the girl ran away in tears.
Wait, you both played the game?
Yeah.
The girl came and ran away in tears?
Yeah.
Is that why you are crying? No. You both have succeeded now. Why are you crying? No, stop it. It's okay. Sorry. I am going to see him, eh? I'm going to see him. It's okay, stop crying.
Please, talk to him. I don't want to lose him because of this thing that happened.
No, you won't, eh? You won't. I'll take care of this. Eh? Let's quickly go into the bush and then, you know we are supposed to meet today. We're supposed to see today. You know that, eh?
A queen and an angel, in fact an angelic human or a humanic angel, an oyoyoristic anabomarism, a paragon of beauty like you deserves milk and not tears. But where do men go to invoke their ritual of injustice? The ancient communal grave quakes because their labors are wasteful.
The rainfall of hatred, wash away our togetherness.
But how will I tell God that his temple has been turned into a merchandise hall?
I know that poem by the village writer.
My oyoyoristic angel, the amomarism, the paragon of beauty, the only one that beams with all the prettiness of nature. You are so wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for standing by me. Like the streaming nocturnal beam, beating drums. For making me smile. Smiles that ascend downward slope. Gifting gigantic giggles. Thank you.
Oyoyoristic, abomarism, the paragon of beauty, the pretty queen of my whole existence. Every moment with you counts continually. In a tantalizing manner that transcends tranquility. Oyoyo, abomarism, the angelic being that has never existed before. You are so wonderful.
Sabi.
Hey!
Ofia, my friend, does not know what he is missing. I swear, he can make one suffer from diabetes, but I don't mind. Listen, Ofia, my friend, must marry you. Come rain, come shining, as far as I'm concerned. But remember, when he eventually marries you, I will still be having my share.
Wait, I know. I've heard you. But see, you have to make him forget that girl.
Maria? Yes. He has forgotten all about that girl. Who is supposed to marry again? You are the one that he must marry.
Really?
See, listen, the land started from that road, to that upa tree. You understand?
Jide, what are you both doing here?
It's not what you think, oh.
I don't understand. What are you saying? I actually brought her here to show her how large my father's land is. Yes. That's all.
Jide, so this has been your reason for persuading my brother to marry her?
What are you talking about? I brought her for her to see how large my father's land is.
Yes, how large?
You understand?
Both of you are a disgrace.
Wait, Chita.
Wait. What she say?
Wait. Chita, wait.
Come, see. Don't start telling people nonsense, so you did not say anything.
Chita.
Come.
Shut up. You see what you've got.
Sabina.
Leave. Else I'll kill you.
Sir, kill me. Kill me if I cannot live and marry my love, Maria. Kill me. Kill me.
No. Eh? I knew it. I told her that you will break her heart. It has happened.
Sir, I did not break her heart.
I broke her heart.
No. What I mean is that my sister framed me up with the friend. They were forcing me to marry her, but I refused. So I can go to Mobia and ask anybody. I don't have any other girl. It's Maria that I have. You can please call her, let her out to come and hear me out.
You have lost her. This is where she belongs now.
Hold on.
Yes. Just take it. Oh, you're risking Mbasan.
Who is this young lad?
The boy that want to kill my daughter for me.
Maria. You mean my own Maria?
Yes.
My Oyoyoristic Maria? Maria, please. Maria, please, I am sorry. I didn't do anything to hurt you. You know me. It was my sister and the friend. They were forcing me to marry that girl, but I refused. Please, Maria, you know I cannot do anything to hurt you. Please. I'm sorry. Maria, please, just listen to me. Yeah. Maria!
Good for you. What did you just say?
I said,
He said, in my house, eh?
Yeah, young man. Ngba, vamos from here.
Mbasan, speak poetry to him. Mbasan, speak poetry to him. Ago, Osik, vamos!
Vamos with the speed, velocity, and accelerated gravity of disappearance. You are still here? Disappear or I make you expire now.
What is her? Mbasan. What is it?
Well, it's just a phonetic exclamation used by musicians. However, it's inconsequential. Never mind.
Mbasan.
Madu.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
Odogu.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
You have been Odogu right.
Onye ọma fụchara ihe aja.
Madu. These are young lads and
Mbasan.
What an...
Wait. Chita.
Don't come close to me, oh.
Chita, see. Chita, wait now.
Leave our house.
Chita, please. I'm so sorry. It's the handwork of the devil, Biko.
Liar, a very big liar. So this is what you both have been doing, and I was busy fighting for you? Hey! What a fool I had been. Because of you, I fought my only brother. He is the only one I have. My mother, my father. Because of you, I made him lose a very beautiful girl he would have married.
Chita, please, I'm begging you. Please. Please. I don't want Sophia to hear about this. I'll give you money. Plenty. In fact, any amount you want, I'll give you. But please don't let him know about
this.
You
see this one I've just said? It's a big lie. A very big one. Because over my dead sexy body, will I not tell my brother this? I will tell him so that he will know the kind of person you are. And also know the kind of friend he has in Jide. I will tell him that. Do you know that I'm ashamed of both of you? If you know Bobo, talkie! Now if you please, I'm not my call son. Oh, if you know dogs in the bush, you could not even go to his house or your house. Hey, fear! Leave our house.
Tita, please. I'm your friend.
Nabun.
Wait, let me.
Nabun. Sipun. Nabun.
Tita, please now.
Nabun. Ma kujia you. Nketa. Nketa. Cheka jida no bai. Wanda mo kaya nuru onya na adura. Onya na azurazu. Hey.
Maria, don't tell me I've been like this all this while. You don't have to give this a second thought. Let this boy go. Let him go. That boy will ruin your life.
I believe him. The first day I saw him, I saw sincerity. I love him. Yes, Mbadiwe may be a good man, with a good heart. He may be rich and educated, but he's old. I have a very long way to go. So let me just think. Good night.
Maria, age is just a number.
Afia, I'm so sorry. I never knew I was being used. Sabina was using all the clothes she gives to me and the money she uses to help us in this house to hold me captive. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Biko.
It is okay, my dear sister. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. You see, I am disappointed in the one I called my friend. I don't know what is preventing him from having her. Even when I asked him to go ahead and have her, that I'm not interested.
Their plans exceeds even after you marry her.
Not for me. It's good for them anyway. Because for me, I'm not the one to be ashamed, but them.
Sabina and Jide. It's fair. Anyway, that's by the way. Ofia, I must confess, that girl is very, very beautiful. And my spirit tells me that she is yours.
No, she's not mine. I have completely lost her. I've given up that to fate. Because you and Sabina has destroyed everything.
No. No. That will not happen. I will go to her place and I will confess to her. I will tell her everything and I will also talk to her father. Don't worry. You will still have her. She will come back to you. Oh?
Really? That will be fine. I had to come. It's not bad.
Oh, this is love,
my people, I called you here because of what I told Mazibe some time ago. You see, the time for me to get a better half, I mean, a bride, has finally come.
Oh, is that so?
Oh, yes.
That's good news.
Merci beaucoup.
So, Maduka has finally asked you to come.
Mazibe. Yes, of course. You see, Maduka's daughter is going back to school in no distant time. And so all marital rituals has to be done tomorrow.
Okay. We are with you.
Thank you so much.
As long as it's something good. So, how far is the arrangement?
Well, all necessary arrangements have been done and concluded. Mazibe's wife and daughter are doing everything possible towards the food and drinks, yes. So I can assure you that food and drinks will be plenty.
But as for the palm wine, I will take care of that.
Mazibe himself.
Trust me.
Mazibe himself.
Case closed.
Oh, yes.
Tomorrow, we are going to get a wife for you.
Osbo. That's
okay.
Osbo.
That calls for celebration.
Here is cola. There is cola. Onye wetoroji weterendo. Hey man, onye wetoroji weterendo. Oh my people. No, let's celebrate together. Hey,
Ofia.
Ichie.
How are you?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please, do sit down.
Thank you.
I went to farm, and when I returned, my daughter told me that you came to the house to look for me. And since I haven't seen you in a long time, I decided to come to know if all is well with you.
Yes, Ichie. All is well. You know, for some time now, I've been playing love game with a particular girl. And I remember you've been telling me that I'm ripened for marriage.
Yes, I did.
I want to tell you that I've seen a girl I want to marry.
Eh? That is good news. I'm happy for you.
Ichie, her father asked me to come with my king's men to know that I'm serious to get married to her. And I'll pay for her dowry tomorrow.
Hey. Echinka. So soon? Hey. There's no problem. What else can I do now? I will go with you. But if I may ask you, have you made any arrangements? Because you know, Ijewan is not easy.
Iche, don't bother yourself. The money is down already. This evening, I am going to buy the palm wine.
Ekweme, I trust you. I'm relieved now. Where's Cheta?
Oh, Cheta is inside. Yeah, as you can see, I am cleaning my guitar. Because I'll be playing for her tomorrow.
Ofia.
Yeah.
That would be good. Now that I know that all is well with you, I must be on my way now. But as soon as you're ready, don't fail to let me know.
It's okay, Chair.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, go where?
Thank you.
Woo! Wonderful! Upward!
Elizabeth in Calando, plus Elizabeth in Commerce. Hi!
Maria,
Hi!
Maria.
Hi! That!
Maria, Maria.
Hi!
You let this come out. This is the detail. Oh. Yes. Oh, hey, yes, today is today. Yes.
Maria.
I've killed her. I've killed her.
We are getting the bride today. Yes. Oh, yes. Today's today. I'm acquiring the best bride in the whole universe. Yes. I trust you. Oh, yes. Mazibe. Woo! What is it?
Allow me to deal with him. No. You! I told you to leave her alone. The good nature of music has put her to demise. Can you imagine what a blunder? What an anarchy! I told you to leave her alone. I told you.
listen me.
Where are you going to?
Let's go.
Let's go.
You finally decided to take your daughter back.
Listen.
Yes.
It's me.
Let's go.
Huh?
The only flower in your garden is withered.
Yes.
I have no felicitation, nor any form of alacrity in your area anymore.
Yes. Ezibon Madu. Ezibon Madu.
Not now. Ezibon Madu, my foot.
Let's marry your dead.
There is nothing.
Hey. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Go, leave her alone. Go. Leave her alone.
No, I'll die with Maria. I'll die with Maria. Yes.
Go.
Papa, what's going on?
Maria.
Sweet papa.
Sweetest Maria.
Sweetest papa.
Sweet Maria. Maria, this is your husband. Yes. He loves you.
Ofiam. Maria.
Maria. He's your husband.
Maria.
Ofiam.
My Brazilian chocolate.
My Ofiam.
Oh lo, aye, Maria. Oh lo, aye, Maria. Ezi nwa foro n'anya, nwani sogbu ebuwo. Ezi nwa foro n'anya, nwani sogbu ebuwo. Ibukwa chalugo nwani ọma o. Achalugo nwani ọma o. Nene begi aga m achụkwu ọlụ o. Ọkwa nkiri begi aga m achụkwu ọlụ o. Oh Maria, oh Maria, oh Maria.
Onye mbụ n'obi m ọfịa, onye mbụ n'obi m ọfịa, onye m fụrụ n'anya ọkwa gị gwezi obi m, onye m fụrụ n'anya ọkwa gị bụzi nke m.
Ọkwa nkiri begi aga m achụkwu ọlụ o. Oh Maria, oh Maria, oh Maria.
Onye mbụ n'obi m ọfịa, onye mbụ n'obi m ọfịa, onye m fụrụ n'anya ọkwa gị gwezi obi m, onye m fụrụ n'anya ọkwa gị bụzi nke m.
Ọkwa nkiri begi aga m achụkwu ọlụ o. Achalugo nwani ọma o. Nene begi aga m achụkwu ọlụ o. Ọkwa nkiri begi aga m achụkwu ọlụ o. Oh Maria, oh Maria, oh Maria.
Onye mbụ n'obi m ọfịa, onye mbụ n'obi m ọfịa, onye m fụrụ n'anya ọkwa gị gwezi obi m, onye m fụrụ n'anya ọkwa gị bụzi nke m.
Ọkwa nkiri begi aga m achụkwu ọlụ o. Oh Maria, oh Maria, oh Maria.
Onye mbụ n'obi m ọfịa, onye mbụ n'obi m ọfịa,
one for Nanya, one is so well. Yes, one for Nanya, one is so well. People watch a look one yama. Achalugo one yama. Nana Becky, I got my chupolo. Oh, one kitty Becky, I got my chupolo.